So over here you can see that I have a video right here and I have a transition over here as well, and the transition is in a certain length. So if you want to change that out, that is the length of the transition, then you can go around onto the effects, onto transition, and you can increase and decrease the duration of that transition over here as well by clicking on it and by selecting it. And you can see that I can change the duration of that transition. You can go around over here and increase the duration or decrease the duration of that transition over here as well. And you can see that the transition is faster. So another thing that you can do is you can adjust out video properties as well. So to do that, you can double click on any one of the video footage that you want to adjust. Then over here you can see that you can change around the horizontal position right here. You can change around the vertical position right here. You can change around the rotation right here. You can also go around and change around the opacity right here, as you can see. Another thing that you can do is you can horizontally flip out the clip right here, or vertically as well. And over here you can see that you can work around with the width and height. And right now, once I move the slider, both the width and height is being scaled at the same time because maintain proportion is turned on. So if I were to turn this off, you can see that I can stretch it out over here as well. You can also go around onto advanced and then crop out the top portion right here, bottom portion right here, left portion right here, and the right portion as well. And another thing that you can do is you can increase out the as feather over here as well. So I'm just going to go around right here just like this, and then I'm just going to go around right here. And you can really go around and then add in the feather over here as well, maintain out proportions and so forth according to how you like it. You can turn off all the effects by using the switch right here just like this, and they will be applied, as you can see over there as well. So that is how you can go around and then adjust video properties inside of Adobe Premiere Rush. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.